Have you ever thought about combining cloves with cinnamon and actually trying it out? In this video, I am going to reveal some wonderful ways you can use this simple combination and save yourself a good amount of money that would otherwise go on expensive store products. The secret is that both of these ingredients are packed with natural oils and powerful properties, and when used together, their effect becomes even stronger. To begin, take 1 tablespoon of whole cloves and a few sticks of cinnamon. Place them in a grinder and blend them until you get a fine powder. About 15 to 20 seconds is usually enough to achieve the right texture. You could use ready-made cinnamon powder, but from my own experience, the freshly ground version always brings out a stronger aroma and delivers a more noticeable effect. If you enjoy learning practical ideas like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we post creative tips every single day that help make life simpler. Now transfer the ground mixture into half a liter of hot water and stir until it is well combined. For an even more refreshing touch, you can add a spoonful of mint tea or just a few drops of essential oil if you prefer. Leave this mixture to sit for a couple of hours so the natural oils and useful compounds can fully infuse into the liquid. Once that is done, strain it carefully through a clean cloth. What you now have is a base liquid full of potential uses. I would also love it if you write in the comments where you are watching from because it makes me really happy to know where my viewers come from. The first way you can use this is as a natural household cleaner. Take a portion of the liquid and mix it with 100 milliliters of vinegar and 200 milliliters of clean water. Pour it into a spray bottle and shake gently. What you have made is a very effective homemade cleaning solution. It helps dissolve dirt, makes the air smell fresher, and keeps away insects and even small rodents. The mint adds a pleasant cooling aroma that humans enjoy but pests cannot tolerate. Cloves contain eugenol, which disinfects and repels. Cinnamon prevents mold and adds its own warm scent. Vinegar breaks down grease and helps kill germs. Together, these ingredients create a safe, natural, and low-cost product that works better than many chemical cleaners sold in stores. The second way is to use it as a relaxing soak for your feet. Take some of the liquid, add 50 milliliters of vinegar and 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then mix it into a bowl filled with a few liters of warm water. Soak your feet for about 20 minutes and feel the difference. Mint cools and refreshes tired skin. Cloves fight bacteria and prevent fungi. Cinnamon stimulates blood circulation, and vinegar helps soften calluses and rough skin. Olive oil nourishes deeply, leaving your feet smooth and soft. Repeat this once a week and you will quickly notice how your feet become healthier and more comfortable. My friends, if you enjoy discovering ideas like this, please remember to like the video and share it with others so they can try it too. Thank you so much for your constant support, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.